Good day to everyone. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and press notification bell all for more videos update. For today's video guys, I want to share 4 recipes, simple recipes of mine. And here we are guys. This is the first recipe. It is called Korean recipe, Korean chicken recipe with peanuts and dried chili with sweet sauce. And also our second recipe is the Petai recipe. This Petai recipe, I add sotong or squid with sambal chili. This is all my simple recipe. And we have the third recipe, the stir fry mixed vegetables, broccoli, carrots, and also mushroom, and also the black fungus. And guys, stir fry with some seasoning of chicken powder. And last is our eggplant recipe. My eggplant also have a minced pork with onion and oyster sauce, and of course our ABC sauce. And that's it guys. Thank you again for watching. Thank you.